Hey you guys, we're going to do a review and unboxing of the Milwaukee M12 Fuel, and this kit comes with two of these. This is a really powerful hammer drill, and this has got some crazy torque, and these are the smallest and most powerful that Milwaukee makes. I'm going to be using it to replace this one, and this one actually still works really good. I do appliance repair and I make videos on how to do it, and I've used this one to make over 2,500 different appliance repair videos, and it still works great. You can tell it's kind of beat up, kind of mean to my tools, but still has a lot of power, a lot of torque. Light still works. The chuck still works. It's got 2 speeds. It's great. This new one, I think I'll be using this one most for appliance repair. Similar, has a chuck, but also has a hammer drill feature. So if you want to, you can set it to where when it spins, it'll also have kind of a back and forth. You can use that if you're dealing with like trying to drill into stucco or concrete. So this will be fun to see. I've been using an extra battery with this, and these batteries are really cool. They're really powerful, easy to pop in and out. These are probably 4 years old, and they're still working great. So I'm really happy with the brand. So I'm interested to see what this is like. So let's take a look inside here. Let's open up this one. Oh, it comes with a case too. That's cool. A carrying case. Okay, that's all that's in the box. That's nice. All right, yeah, looks good. Good for getting to the job site. Nice strong zipper there. So when you look inside, you've got the instruction for the charger and for the 2 different drivers. And then this one is just some quick information on your new setup. So it comes with a new one of these M12 batteries, just like this old one, which I really like, very powerful. And I think this one is a little heavier, a little larger, but has more capacity, so it's going to last even longer. It's got that same battery area plus this part too. And then we got a great charger. These are cool. You just plug in the battery and it will be red if it needs a charge, and when it's good it turns green. I've got one of these already, really like using. And then here are the 2 drivers. So I think this will be the one I'll be using the most often. Okay, let's open up this part. Alright, this is pretty compact. That's cool. Let me pop in the battery. I'm not sure if the one that comes with it is charged up already. I do have another battery just in case. Yeah, but these Milwaukee is just really a strong brand. So we're going to pop in a new battery. Comes with a clip, so you can put that on your belt. The weight between these two feels about the same weight, I think, as this older model, but it's a lot more, you can tell, a lot more compact. So it's about 20% less in length. This looks like the trigger and all that's the same. Has a light, just like the other one. Oh, it does have power. Yeah, very good. And you can easily reverse it. Looks like you could probably put this clip on the other side if you want to. There's a little place for it. And then you've got your 2 different speeds. So usually you're just using one. You're like putting in screws, taking out screws. But if you're going to use the drill feature, you click it to 2. Wow, it does have a lot of torque. It's funny, when you hit the trigger, you can feel it move to the side a little bit because the torque is so strong. And then here I have your hammer drill feature. So that just spins, but also gives you a little bit of back and forth. That's great. And you have the different parts of the chuck or the clutch, so it can won't over torque a screw. Yeah, you got your battery indicator here. So that battery does need to be charged. Let me pop in a newer one. I mean, a more charged up one. No, it actually needs more charge. All right, here's the one that came with it. Yeah, there we go. So if it's fully charged, all four of these will light up. So it's about halfway charged. And you can change direction, of course, easily with this. You can put it halfway, puts it in like a neutral position where the trigger won't fire. Got a really powerful LED light there. It's nice. Let's take a look at the other one too. This is the bigger battery that comes with it. So you got everything you need. You have a case to carry it. You got a battery charger. You have the smaller type battery, and you have the bigger battery for more capacity. Let's try that one. So when you take these in and out, you just squeeze in, pops right out. Here's the bigger one. Yeah, that's good. So it just gives you more capacity. For what I do, usually I use these smaller batteries just because it fits into my toolkit a little bit better. But this would give you more duration. So the other one, I probably wouldn't use as much for what I do because it doesn't have the clutch. I'm sorry, the chuck you can use to grab like a drill bit, but you want to put in your bits. That's a nice light on that. Wow, even more light, and also lots of torque. That's cool. Different lights here. So I think these pertain to the different speeds. That's cool. So it's like a digital way to, yeah, to change up the power levels, I think. You can feel a difference. It's great. So this gives you a real positive lock on your bit. Like if you wanted to put a 1/4 inch bit in there, there's actually some drill bits that fit into this, and it looks like it's got a good secure lock. You feel the difference in the weight. This one's definitely a little lighter, a little smaller, and gives you actually more torque, which is interesting. So this is an impact driver. So this one I think has double the torque of this one, but pretty cool. I enjoy using these, and yeah, this one still works, which is great. It could be my standby. I think I've had this one maybe 4 years, and probably get even more time out of these guys. So I want to switch bits. Just put it in, close the chuck, and that's quick and easy. With this one, push that in, and I'm ready to go. And I think to get it out, I have to lift up on this to unlock it. Unlock it, pull it out, and then to push it in, you don't have to do anything, just push it in, and you're ready. Oh, I like both of these. And I like the light on this. Got 3 LEDs. This one's pretty strong too. That one, yeah, very cool. So looking forward to using these out in the field, and hopefully this has helped you guys to see what comes with this kit. And I'll put a link in the description below for you, but it's the M12 Fuel. Also, I'll link to one of the videos that I do for appliance repair that shows this one in use, so you get a feel of how easy it is to use these Milwaukee products, and also just really impressed with the longevity and ease of use and how long these batteries last. So again, hopefully this has helped you guys, and see you on the next video.